In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the project lead in Jira. Whether you're managing a team or reorganizing project roles, changing the project lead can be a crucial task to ensure smooth operations. So let's dive into how you can make this change quickly and effortlessly. First, let's navigate over to the specific project you want to modify. Once you are on the main page of the project, turn your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Project Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your project, from roles to permissions and more. Once you're in the project settings, the next step is to select Details. This option is usually near the top of the menu and is the place where you can view and edit various project attributes. Think of it as the project's information hub. Clicking on Details will bring up the essential information related to your project, like the project name, key, and of course the project lead. Now what you want to focus on is the field marked as Project Lead. This field shows the current individual who is designated as the project lead. If you haven't noticed it before, it's time to get familiar with it because this is where you'll be making the change. To update the project lead, simply click on the current name that's displayed. This action will enable the editing feature for that particular field. A drop-down list should appear showing a selection of users you can assign as the new project lead. Be sure to select someone who is already part of your Jira instance and well acquainted with the project. After selecting the right person from the drop-down, the next step is crucial, saving your changes. There's usually a save button located towards the bottom or side of the section you're editing. Be sure to click it. This action will finalize the switch and ensure that your changes take effect immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the project lead for your Jira project. This update not only shifts the leadership role, but also ensures that the new lead is updated in all relevant project communications and permissions. Remember, a seamless transition is key, so make sure the new project lead is aware of their new responsibilities and is ready to take on the role. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with Jira or any other project management tasks, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Until next time, keep managing those projects with confidence.